Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the gold dollar, I'm definitely very bullish still. I still think this is a wave 3. I still think the most likely place for a wave 3 to end is the 161.8. I still think there's a very good likelihood we're going up to this 161.8 before we even start a bigger correction for the wave 4 and another push up for the wave 5 just to end the trend that started way back here. So, keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as a wave 1. I still think this is a wave 2. I personally still think this is all just subdivisions of a big wave 3. Maybe it's a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, a 3 of 3, and a 4 of 3. And now maybe we're going back up for a wave 5 of wave 3, bringing us all the way back up to the 161% Fibonacci extension. Bringing it down to the daily time frame, we did have a very strong push down on Friday, but for me the trend is definitely still up. I think this is still likely to be an ABC correction to this last push up right here. I think we already have the low in. I think there's a pretty good chance that it will just keep on trending up from here. Especially because I think we're still in a wave 3 on the very high time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I think this big push down was nothing beyond a bear trap. Now, you would think just based on Elliot wave that we would get one more push down for a more proper ABC correction. So definitely do keep an eye out for another push down for wave C. But I still think that the trend is up on the very high time frames, and I still think that we should primarily still be looking at all moves to the downside, nothing as corrections to the uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I think it's actually pretty clear that this is a little uptrend right here. Probably like a little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. It's probably a wave A. This move down probably is a wave B. You would think that this move up would be a wave C of wave B, just like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame. This would be a wave A, and eventually we would go back down for a wave C. Maybe we test the 61.8. That is definitely what you would think would happen based on Elliott wave. The only problem is sometimes what we think is a wave B is not a wave B. Sometimes we think it's a wave B and it'll just keep on making higher highs, higher lows. So definitely keep in mind that you should be looking for longs, especially if you trade below the 1 hour time frame. If you do see that double top with a breaker structure, then I would stop looking for longs, go short again for the wave C, and then when you see a Fibonacci bounce, breaker structure to the upside, go exit your short to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. But like I said, just be aware, sometimes what we think is a wave B is not a wave B. Sometimes it's actually the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and all my daily live streams. So as always, thank you and happy trading.